If Donald Trump wins the 2024 presidential election, what could this mean for undocumented Jamaicans in the United States? In this video, we'll break down how his policies could impact illegal Jamaican immigrants and the risks and potential outcomes they might face. Trump has made it clear that he's focused on what he calls securing the borders and cracking down on illegal immigration. During his 2016 and 2020 campaigns, his administration implemented some of the strictest immigration policies in modern U.S. history. If he were to win in 2024, it's likely that he would try to revive or intensify these policies. For undocumented Jamaicans, one of the main concerns would be the risk of deportation. Under Trump's previous administration, there was a significant increase in ICE raids and deportations of undocumented immigrants, even in communities that had long been safe for these individuals. A return to Trump's leadership could mean renewed fears of raids, increased presence of immigration enforcement, and potentially an increase in deportations. Jamaicans seeking legal residency in the U.S. may also face more challenges under Trump's policies. He has historically supported limiting pathways to citizenship and increasing scrutiny on work visas, family petitions, and asylum applications. For Jamaicans who may already be in the process of adjusting their status or applying for residency, this could mean longer wait times and more restrictions. Many undocumented Jamaicans live in vibrant Jamaican American communities in cities like New York, Miami, and Atlanta. A Trump presidency could make life in these communities more uncertain. Donald Trump has always advocated for strong immigration enforcement. For many, including a significant number of Jamaicans, this is not just about policies. It's about safety. When undocumented immigrants enter the U.S. illegally, they may contribute to criminal networks back home, sending money and even firearms to Jamaica to fuel violence and crime. It's crucial that the U.S. prioritizes legal immigration and tightens its borders to prevent these issues from escalating. In Jamaica, the impact of illegal immigration can be profound. Some Jamaicans who migrate illegally to the U.S. end up engaging in criminal activities, both in the States and back home. This cycle of violence and crime puts immense strain on Jamaican society. Just as some Jamaicans are quick to call for the deportation of Haitians entering Jamaica illegally, it's vital that we maintain similar standards for our own citizens entering other countries. A Trump presidency could reinforce the message that illegal immigration will not be tolerated. Many Jamaicans come to the U.S. on visas and then overstay, competing for jobs and public services. Jamaicans who overstay also makes it harder for Jamaicans who go through the legal route. Legal immigration should always be encouraged. Many Jamaicans have successfully entered the U.S. through legal channels, contributing to society and the economy. By promoting a legal pathway, the U.S. can ensure that those who truly wish to contribute are recognized, while those who seek to undermine security and contribute to crime face consequences. It's time for Jamaicans, both at home and abroad, to hold each other accountable. Those who engage in illegal activities should face repercussions, regardless of their nationality. Stricter immigration policies under a Trump administration would send a clear message that illegal behavior will not be tolerated, thereby protecting communities both in Jamaica and the United States. A Trump victory could usher in a new era of immigration policies that prioritize safety and legal integrity. It's essential for all Jamaicans to consider the broader implications of illegal immigration and to support a system that fosters responsibility and accountability. Together, we can ensure a brighter future for both countries.